Amidst your off-road adventures, you may find your ambition has exceeded your vehicle's capabilities. In other words, you're stuck.
If your vehicle gets stuck, there are some things that you should take into consideration and some methods that may be able to get you unstuck. I'm currently stuck, unintentionally, at the southwest corner of my grandma's pasture.
If you get stuck, what you do immediately after will determine your fate. First off, don't hit the throttle and spin your tires a bunch. This will dig you into a hole and make it harder to get out. Try gently going forward, then backward, over and over to create a rocking motion. If that doesn't work, try putting down some objects for your tires to grip onto. Kitty litter or sand may help, especially in snow. Here I'm trying some boards, kitty litter, and rubber floor mats under my Vans tires. This almost worked. If worse comes to worse, you're gonna need some help.
Next thing, you can't get it with anything under the wheels. You want to bring in another car, ideally a car with better off-road capabilities than yours. For example, this Chevy Suburban has four-wheel drive. So then with tow rope, you can use the other car to hopefully tow you out. This tow rope might be strong enough. What you want to do is make sure that it's on a solid point. If you put it on your suspension or your steering, then you're going to break your suspension or your steering. So I put it on a little frame cross member in the front. Hopefully that doesn't break. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
My voice is dead. Okay, I think we're good.